Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. Are your soils lacking organic matter? Then try adding black gold Canadian Sphagnum peat moss. High-quality peat moss is nature's best all-purpose soil conditioner. It adds needed structure and water-holding ability to poor quality clay or sandy soils, giving plant roots a better growing environment. Peat moss also has a remarkable ability to hold nutrients that would otherwise leach from the soil, allowing plants to more easily access needed fertilizer. And because peat doesn't readily compact or break down, one application will last for several years. Gardeners also use peat moss to lower their soil pH to better support acid-loving plants such as blueberries, rhododendrons, and camellias. Peat is also an essential base for the best-performing potting mixes, which is why black gold adds it to all of its key mix and amendment blends. Black gold Canadian Sphagnum peat moss is 100% natural and organic and OMRI listed for organic gardening. Visit blackgold.bz to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and exciting monthly garden giveaways. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next black gold purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.